Unleash the excellence, spark the innovation, conquer the limits, and live the extraordinary at the largest private technical university in West Bengal. Brainware University is more than an institution, it's a vibrant global learning hub where education meets cultural diversity. As the heart of academic excellence in eastern India, it brings together ambitious minds from West Bengal, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, and even beyond borders, welcoming students from Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, and other nations into a dynamic melting pot of ideas and aspirations. Over the years, Brainware has touched the lives of thousands of families, making it a reliable name in the education sector in West Bengal. At present, Brainware University houses 9 dynamic schools, including engineering, computational and applied sciences, management and commerce, medical and allied health sciences, law, biotechnology and biosciences, communication, multimedia and film studies, School of Agriculture and Humanities and Social Sciences. Aligned with NEP 2020, we offer 75 plus UG, PG, Diploma, and PhD programs, shaping future-ready professionals. From its roots as a humble computer training institute to becoming a prestigious university, Brainware has always stayed true to one purpose: delivering quality education at an affordable cost. It was a turbulent time when Brainware started its journey, the 1990s. India was at the crossroads of chaos and change. Economic liberalization dismantled barriers, igniting a tech revolution led by visionaries like Infosys, Wipro, and TCS. Amid this transformation, in a modest 10 by 10 room in Kolkata, one man's vision took root. Falguni Mukhopadhyay, the visionary founder of Brainware, saw the future in technology. In 1991, he pioneered computer education, equipping India's middle class with essential digital skills. From that small room to shaping the lives of thousands, his vision grew. Today, as the founder-chancellor of Brainware University, Falguni Mukhopadhyay's dream thrives, empowering the next generation to lead India's global rise. With over 17,000 students at present, Brainware University is one of the largest private universities in eastern India. Brainware University is at the forefront of leveraging cutting-edge technologies to redefine education. By seamlessly integrating artificial intelligence (AI) into its teaching methodologies, the university enhances both learning outcomes and student engagement. Smart classrooms, AI-powered learning management systems, and virtual labs provide personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. Our strong industry linkages provide our students with the chance to connect with top companies, internships, and placements. Brainware University is connecting dreams to the world. With exclusive partnerships across the globe, from the USA to Korea, Argentina to Zambia, our students are truly going places. Recently, our BBA and BTech computer science stars were handpicked for the prestigious US Presidential Scholarship and an international exchange program at Livingstone College, North Carolina. At Brainware, we don't just think global, we make it happen. Research is at the core of everything we do. The Center for Multidisciplinary Research and Innovations, CMRI, is equipped with a dedicated team of researchers who are working on various funded projects in the fields of technology, healthcare, agriculture, and more. We get to see collaborations between faculty members and students in prestigious publications. Our interdisciplinary approach and strong academic partnerships ensure that we remain at the forefront of research and development. We believe that dreams should never be limited by financial constraints. Through our prestigious scholarships like Brainware Vidyalonkar, Brainware Medhabriti, and Brainware Kera Ratna, we empower bright minds and sports champions alike. Whether you excel in academics or shine on the field, we're here to ensure your ambition takes flight, because at Brainware, your success is our mission. Whether you're here to build a successful career, explore your creative potential, or make a lasting impact, Brainware University is the place where your journey begins. And this will always continue, as you are always a part of the Brainware family. To experience this extraordinary education, join us and be a part of #1 private university in West Bengal. We care, trust Brainware.